Well, my page did not hit 100K and become a reality yet, but it will happen. I'll still keep dreaming. My phone's been flooded with positive messages, and I love that, and I would love to continue that. So, everybody that's sending me messages, I'm not able to answer everybody, but thank you very much, anyways. All right, guys. I have lots of things to do, so I'm just gonna get on it right now. Oh, yeah, we are working on a movie actually. We're writing the scripts and stuff. So please stay tuned for that. I think you would love that. I think Jamaica would love that on a whole. I've never seen a movie like this in Jamaica. So if you have any ideas, drop it in the comment section what you would like to see in the movie or some any idea you have, drop it. To be more specific, it's a pilot, so it's more like a prototype, right? That you make to attract like sponsors and stuff, and then I can turn it into like an actual movie series, well, TV series, I should say. We do accept donations, so you can check the link in my bio for that. And please leave a message if you're doing that. Don't just donate and not send a message because there's a lot to be done. And also, I need to make some changes to this costume and get it ASAP for this thing.